In this video, I'm going to teach you how to install Bluebeam Revu. To do that, you first need to head over to bluebeam.com and click on this Get Started to sign up for an account. You can also click on this Try Free to get 14 days of free trial with Bluebeam Revu. Alternatively, you also have the option to buy the actual subscription or buy the actual product. Click on this if you would want. Once you have access, proceed to click on this login, then log into your Bluebeam and get access to it. Head over to their download center, which is the bluebeam.com/download. So since we already have an account, it should be easier right there. You can see right here some older versions, and here we have the latest one. We have the Bluebeam Revu right here. Click on this download for desktop, and after that, you should be able to initiate the download of Bluebeam Revu. As you can see, it's around 2.3 gigabytes. And I've already downloaded it earlier, and here is what it looks like. Just proceed to open this, just click on this, and it should be able to open in here a window or dialog that should be able to actually install the Bluebeam Revu. So it might take some minutes for this to actually open, so do take note of that. But it's just pretty easy to install since you just need to follow the on-screen instructions. After that, you should be able to have your Bluebeam Revu directly right here. You just need to sign in for an account as well in order to get access to this into it right here and then use the actual software directly. With Bluebeam Revu, you can do a lot more. You can do some options for your documents, explore a lot of tools, as well as change some things and view as well as edit particular PDF that you have available. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.